Hey there everybody. I would like to demonstrate how a progressive loader works. I'm going to be loading 45 ACP and I'll take you through the steps so that you can see exactly what is involved with a progressive loader and how it works. First thing you do is add your brass to the first station, and in this station on the upstroke the old spent primer is knocked out and the case is resized, and then as you bring it back down you press forward and that adds the new primer. You notice when this handle is brought down, the primer bar slid back underneath the primer tube where it picks up a new one, and then it is pushed back forward, where when this is pressed forward and it pulls the cartridge down onto that primer and it seats it into the pocket. At the next station on the upstroke, powder is added into the cartridge case. This has all been adjusted, and this is where you can turn it up or down by turning the screw in here, and that's how the powder thrower is adjusted. Now that the case has been charged with powder, it's indexed over to the next station, which is the expander, and as that case is run up into that die, the case mouth is belled or flared just a little bit so that the bullet can set into the case. After it's been flared, it will go to the next station here, where two functions are performed. Both the bullet is seated and crimped all in one. Now that you've seen what happens at each station, I'll demonstrate actual progressive loading. Just add a brass and a bullet.
Just a quick note for you. This particular die setup that I have is RCBS. There are dies on the market that will do the crimping and seating in separate stations, and that would eliminate the expander die, which is at the third station, and that function would actually be performed where it's receiving powder. If you'll notice the taper on that bushing, it is capable of being turned down to where it'll actually flare the case mouth there, and then in the next station the bullet is seated, and in the last station it's crimped. That would be my preferred method to do this, but this is the kind of dies I have, so this is what I do. And you can see you can put out quite a bit of ammunition this way using the progressive loader. You're not going to get the same quality as you would if you were single staging everything, but it works out just fine for plinking ammo and target shooting. If you have any questions for me, don't hesitate to send me a message. I appreciate you watching the video. Have a good day. Take care.